beautifying the outside so that we can put it out there so people can like it. And that is where we get our satisfaction from. And I think it's the MC who said, is it Alex? Alex is the MC? Alex. Yeah, Alex. I think you said it very well. We can have social media community, but that's not community. This is community right here. Unfortunately, Kenyans, we have mastered the art of burying the dead. But the art of ministering to the living, bado hatujafika huko. And I don't know when we will reach there. When someone dies, man, we come together. And we raise money. Like everybody say, we're going to send this lady to Kenya effortlessly. But you know what? If we came and said, hey, let's raise money, this girl is suffering, we need to help her. Guess what? No one would show up.